Hi guys, welcome to Gyan Vigyan Foundation's Iyer Academy, and you are watching my YouTube channel Gyan Vigyan Foundation. So friends, today in this video we shall try to understand one another subtopic in physics, that is about the electrostatics. So friends, today in this subtopic of electrostatics, we shall try to understand about its introduction. So friends, here the electrostatics deals with the static electric charges and the forces between them and the effects produced in the form of electric fields and the electric potential. We have already studied some aspects of electrostatics in our earlier standards also. So friends, the current electricity, which plays a major role in our everyday to day life, is produced by the movement of the charges. Similarly, the charges are present everywhere around us, though their presence can only be felt under special circumstances. So, for example, friends, let us see about a sweater in winter on a dry day. We hear some cracking sound and the sweater appears to stick to our body. This is because of the electric charges produced due to the friction between our body and the sweater. Similarly, the lightning that we see in the sky is also due to the flow of large amount of electric charges that develops on the clouds due to the friction. So friends, today we have seen the electrostatics introduction, and now let us try to understand the next subtopic of electrostatics, that is about the basic properties of electric charges. So friends, here in this particular subtopic we shall try to understand again the additive nature of charges. So here the electric charge is an additive similar to mass. The total electric charge of an object is equal to the algebraic sum of all the electric charges distributed on different parts of the subject. So it may be noted that while taking the algebraic sum of the sign, that is positive or negative, then the electric charges must be taken into account. So thus, if two bodies have an equal and opposite charges, then the net charges on the system of the bodies are also equal to 0. This is similar to that in case of an atom. So, where the nucleus is positively charged and this charge is equal to the negatively charged particle of an electrons, making the atoms electrically neutral. It is interesting to compare the additive and the property of charge with that of a mass. So friends, let us see about the masses, that is the masses of the particles constituting an object are always positive, whereas the charges produced on different parts of the object may be positive or negative. So friends, this is about the first point of the masses. Now let us see about the second point. The total mass of an object is always positive, whereas the total charge of the object may be positive, 0 or negative. So friends, now this was about the basic properties of electric charges. Now let us see one another subtopic, that is about the quantization of charge. So friends, let us try to understand the meaning of the quantization of charge. So here the minimum value of the charge of an electron is determined by the Millikan's oil drop experiment. So friends, here it is given to be small e, and which is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb. This is also called as the elementary charge. Here the C, capital C, is denoted for Coulomb, which is the unit of charge in SI unit system. And the positively charged particles and the negatively charged particles are also called as protons and electrons respectively. So here the charge on an object must be an integral multiple of positively and negatively charged particles. Further, the charge on an object can be increased or decreased multiples of electrons. It is because during the charging process, an integral number of electrons can be transferred from one body to another body, and hence friends, this is also known as quantization of charge. So friends, this was about the quantization of charge which we were trying to understand. So here friends, now I hope you might have understood my subtopic in physics, that is about the electrostatics, and if you have understood my subtopic in electrostatics, then please subscribe, like and comment my channel.